Jamushi Travels is back and today we'll share to you our Citadines Manila Bay experience. Hi, Citad!
Hello.
So, asa tayo ngayon, Bibi?
Libre daw.
Sa may Walter Mart.
Ha?
Papuntang Citadines.
Alright.
30.
Sa kaliwa. Ayun. Doon. Hello. So, welcome to Citadines Manila Bay. Ayan. So, kaka-check-in lang natin. And, na-curious tayo dito sa coffee corner nila. Ayan. So, meron daw free na coffee. So, antayin natin yung gagawa ng espresso. So,
And-
kailangan ASR member kayo. So, just register sa discoverasr.com. Yan, free plug na yan, ha? So, see you! Bye-bye!
1, 2, 3. Saba. 1, 2, 3. Galing. At pag sa mag-bike, ay bike din sila. So, bago tayo mag-room tour, dito muna tayo sa labas. So, magkano mo siya na-book si Heart?
Mga 4K nung nag-promo sila.
Oo. So, ang ganda dito kasi pagbaba mo, ayan, Mercury. Tapos, malapit din siya sa, anong tawag dito? Konting
Walter
lak.
Mart.
Walter Mart. And
Abenson.
then, Abenson, sa Ayala Mall.
Japan Home, meron. May
At-
video.
Oh, okay din. At saka sa IKEA, no? Pwede rin lakarin. So, it's a good alternative if you want to stay near Mall of Asia.
Tsaka sa airport.
At sa airport. Tama.
Lapit.
Eh, may dim sum pa. Okay. So, okay. Okay.
Hi, so punta tayo sa room 26. So, ano to? Twin Deluxe studio. So, binigyan tayo ng topmost floor. Kaya lang, as usual, pag ina-upgrade sa dulo. Dito na tayo sa dulo.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to room 1226. So let's do a room tour of Citadines Bay Manila Twin Deluxe room. And so here, there's an open closet. Meron ba ito? And meron pang space na. And we have laundry bag also and slippers, ironing board. We have the common tea and coffee. Tea kettle, and we have the ref here, and water is 1 gallon or more. Yan. So this you can ask for replacement. Then since this is Citadines, we have microwave and walang utilities no? Okay. So I think we can request for amenities then for cooking. And then for the restroom, we have bidet and shower. Yan. Tapos, ang kanilang ano is ink and water. Wow, parang bago yan. Then, complete vanity kit and toothbrush. Then, for the room, we have a very spacious studio. 2 twin beds. Yan, so may nagre-rest na dito. And we have a big TV, I think 65 inch or 55 inch. Then for the view, we have a view of the city. Ayan. And the building. Okay. So I think it's a good spot for plane spotting. And also we have a safe here. And the working area with multiple multi-plugs and USB port. Okay, so I think that's a good value for this area. So try it. Citadines Bay Manila. Bye-bye.
Bibi.
Hi! So punta tayo sa swimming pool.
So, saang floor ito?
Swimming pool cover.
Okay. Wow, ang ganda. Malaki. So, ito yung swimming pool. Parang Ascot sa BGC.
So may halo-halo din.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, ito. Bukas tuwing 11 a.m.
Oo, maganda.
Game time bukas.
Sige, mag-waits lang ako. Ganda. Susubukan natin yung tap to unlock daw, sabi ni Jam. Let's see.
Yeah, unlocking.
Gumana ba?
Ay, hindi.
Dali.
Hello.
Ay,
Tayo breakfast dito sa Citadines Manila.
ay, nasa 8 na siya.
Morning.
Yan lang. Sige, green na lang po. Sopas naman. Oo, parang okay yung sopas. Ha?
So, ito na ang spread nila. Okay din naman, maraming choices na compact. Tapos may favorite taho rin. And X-Station. Tapos ang unique sa kanila may mga Filipino na dishes like
Sopas.
sopas. Cheers!
So, ayun, meron doon, no, na soy marinated egg. So, hindi ko ito ma-perfect. Kaya kakainin natin siya ngayon. Sana masarap. So, that's the end of our Citadines Manila Bay experience. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.